Deadlift row. The deadlift row is all about working your back. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and firmly planted on the ground, holding onto your dumbbells with your palms facing your body. Soften your knees and send your hips back as you lower your weights to your shins without rounding your back. Make sure your hands stay close to your legs to keep your lats active. Row your elbows back, holding for a moment at the top of the contraction and slowly letting them come back to neutral position. Keeping your palms close to your body, slowly stand up. Keep your back flat by drawing your palms closer to your body and making sure to soften your knees as you hinge at the hips. Common mistakes of the deadlift row: rounding your spine, locking your knees. This is the deadlift row.